Here I've got ELEPHONE C1 Max, and let me show you how to grab a screen, how to take a screenshot on the following device. So at first you should open some display that is worth capturing. Let me open, for example, the calendar. And if you would like to show someone what are your plans, for example, for March 2017, smoothly tap on power key and volume down key, hold them all together for about 3 seconds. And that's it. As you can see, the screenshot has been made, and now you can find it in your gallery. So let me access the gallery, and now you've got the screenshot album. Click here and open the screenshot that has been taken. Now you can share it with your friends. You can edit the screenshot, you can delete it, or do whatever you want to. Smoothly grab a screen and then, for example, send it to your friends. So that would be all. This is how you can grab a screen. This is how you can save display in your ELEPHONE C1 Max. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.